Yes, student, look into your book and let's recite poem with me. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Listen, student. Here, poet creates an imagination that in a forest he reaches at a point where road separated in two roads. Means while traveling in the forest, poet reaches at the point where this same road diverged into two roads, means separated into two roads. Poet stands here and thinks that which road he should choose. And sorry I could not travel both means at a time he could not travel on both roads. Yellowwood. Here Yellowwood states that the setting of poem is autumn, because all of you know that in autumn season green leaves convert into yellow and trees shed their leaves also. And be one traveller, long I stood and looked down one as far as I could. Poet says that as a traveller I stand here for a long time and think again and again which road he should choose. He tried to look far away, and he tried to find out which road he should choose. But he could not see except dense forest, undergrowth, dense forest. Understand? Student, at this point let us think about the metaphorical meaning of the poem. Diverse road represent the decisions which people have to choose in their life. Undergrowth represent the uncertainty of future. Poet says that at the point of our life we have to take one decision from so many choices. So we should very conscious about our decision, because our whole life is depend on this decision. If we choose correct decision, then we will make our life better and best. Okay, and if we will choose wrong decision, definitely we will make our life worse. So here poet wants to say that we should choose decision very cleverly and very consciously. Okay student, let's read next stanza. Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Here poet decides which road he should choose. Then took the other just as fair. Poet chooses the other road. Just as fair describes that both roads are equally good and having perhaps the better claim. In this line, poet justifies his decision of choosing other road. He wants to say that both roads are equally good, so the choice may also be equally good. Means result will be equally good. It will make no difference between these two choices. If poet will choose first road, the result will be same. If poet chooses second road, result will be same. So poet here says that he chooses grassy road. He chose grassy road because wanted here means because this road was not used very much by travelers. This road was grassy and not much used by traveler, so poet decides to choose this road. Though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Here poet again has confusion for choosing the road because he thinks again and again and finds that both roads were not traveled by travelers. So again he thinks and decides that there will be no difference in the outcome if he choose any road. The result will be same. Let's read next stanza. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Now morning. This morning states that this is the time of morning. In the morning again poet sees the both road very carefully and find that both roads are not much used by travelers. So he should choose the road which is less traveled by the second one. In leaves no step had trodden black. Again poet in the state of confusion that which road he has to choose. He has confusion because both roads look similar and he has to take decision. Trodden black. This trodden black describes that both roads were not traveled by travelers. Trodden black says that leaves, the roads were covered by leaves and these leaves were not crushed and did not become black. Means if any more traveler traveled on these two roads, these leaves were crushed by travelers' feet and become black. I hope you have understood. Let's see. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how many leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Poet feels regret to choose another path in earlier. He feels sad. He strongly feels that he would take the other road to know what it had in store. Since he already knew what was on the road taken, metaphorically in life, we rethink about our choices, but it is not easy to revert back the clock, as time and tides waits for none. Now let's read next stanza. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, the roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Listen, student. Poet realized that it is quite impossible for him to take that another road again which he did not choose earlier. Just like in the journey of life, we face many situations where we have so many choices, and we have to take decision about these choices. Here poet wants to say that at the time we must think again and again and take correct decision, because in practical it is difficult to start afresh, means new start, especially in the later part of our life. Poet stressing here that we should choose correct decision in our life, because sometime at a certain stage it is quite impossible for a human being to revert back and give new beginning to their life. So we should very conscious about our decision. Student, this stanza is entirely written in future tense, I shall. Here poet talks about his decision with sigh. Sigh may be sad or sigh may be happy. Here in this line it is not clear that poet is in a mood of happy for choosing that road, or if he is in a mood of sad for choosing that road. In this line this thing is not clear. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by. Here poet again recalled the situation which he faced many years ago. Means here poet again thinks about the situation which he faced many years ago, which he describes in this stanza. Two roads, he says that in his life earlier he faced a situation where he had to choose one road from two roads. Means he has so many choices, and he choose one from these so many choices. I took the one less travelled by, means that time he chose the road which was less traveled by traveler. That time may be possible. Poet faced so many challenges because that road was not discovered by so many travelers, and poet did not have any idea about that road. So maybe that time this was a possibility that poet became afraid to choose that road. But poet here wants to say that, and that has made all the difference. But this line clear all doubts of Sai. This is clear indication that poet is appreciating his decision of choosing second road. He describes that decision makes his life different from the life of others. Here poet says that time he had the dare and he accepted the challenge of taking road which was not travelled by so many people. In these lines, poet wants to say that in his life he showed courage and chose a path of life. For this he did not have much knowledge, and that time less people experienced that path. But poet took decision darely, and it will give great impact in his life, and he made his life significantly different from other people.